run to you like nobody was watching, but it's so hard to get to you.
Oh, my hair.
Yeah.
Look here. So now we're going to plant some seeds. We have some different kinds of carrots and lettuces and some Swiss chard and what else do we have to plant? Some beets and some peas?
And some watermelon.
Yeah, he really wants to plant watermelon and cantaloupe, but I told him it's a little too early, so we're gonna try to start them inside. All these though, we're gonna try to grow them out in the, would be called a low house maybe, something like that. I'm not entirely sure what term we should use for it. So we're going to be trying that out. There's the watermelon seeds he picked out. So anyways, we have some seeds that we used last year and some seeds that we just picked out. Yep, those are I want to try out the little round carrots in the raised beds to see how well they work. So anyways, are you ready to get planted, Thomas? Should we show them what we have first? So yeah, we got some peas. We have some salad bowl lettuce to use up, a zesty lettuce, and just a regular heirloom lettuce. And yeah, some peas. But I also got some snow peas because I really like snow peas a lot. They're my favorite. And we got some rainbow chard from last year and just some regular ruby red Swiss chard for this year. That's pleasant, Thomas. We have 3 different kinds of carrots. We got these round ones and regular carrots, and these, do they have a variety? Scarlet Nance. Yes, that's the lettuce. I already showed them the lettuce. And then I got a sparkler radish and then just a cherry red radish. So, oh, and then we have, yeah.
And some watermelon.
These beets, I think that they're different color, like white inside or something. Because we planted them and that's how they were, I think. And then we just have some nice early wonder beets. And then I also have some chives and some dill from last year. I'm not sure if I want to plant them in the garden right now. But anyways, I was wanting to plant them and have them take over in other places.
Maybe one day we can break the distance.
Did we take the rocks off?
Yep.
This is the time.
You can see we have some lettuce coming up. Let's move this out of the way. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of moss. Something weird. We got a bunch of moss growing. So we got some lettuce already that is from this fall. We have some pansies that are doing better with the cover on them. Much better. They're all getting ready to bloom almost. Yeah. That's awesome.
Let's do this first.
Okay, you want to do the carrots? Okay, we're going to plant the carrots in the middle. And we're going to plant all the lettuces up here.
The mosses?
The lettuce is all going to be here. And the chard's going to be like right behind this board. We'll go get a jacket. Hi, buddy. Baby. Alright.
it's the pups, dog. It's the puppies.
Now you're in my YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel like a star.
Here's your jacket.
And I can zip it.
You can zip it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold the camera like that.
Like this?
Uh-huh. We good?
Next to you. Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming, and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
The wind came up on us pretty quickly, so Thomas helped me plant some peas and then he came inside. I finished planting up all the beets and the carrots and the radishes and some lettuce, and then the wind made my lettuce fly away and spilled it everywhere, so I had to open up the other lettuce seed back, but got it all planted and watered, and I had some pansies and some other flowers underneath there that they are coming back.
Are these you see me waving?
Yeah, I do see you waving. And so there obviously wasn't, you know, space for them to be on the garden bed, but there's enough of the plastic to put it to the side and have it around there. So they're still under cover from the frost. And so anyways, hopefully my plan works. We still of course get down below freezing at night, and we should still get, you know, we could get below freezing for the next month or two. Sometimes even in April we can freeze. So anyways, it should help a lot because we get really warm days and it's super nice, but it'll be like in the 50s and things want to grow, but then it gets too cold. So I'm really hoping that this helps to extend my growing season and makes it and makes it to where we can have an earlier spring crop, and so that way we could actually have a good summer crop too. So far I haven't been able to do that very effectively, so hopefully this really helps, and I'm really looking forward to actually having a good growing season. And I'm really looking forward to being outside more to make him calm down. Anyways, I hope you guys have a really great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye!